I wanted to tell you a bit about my book, Vegan Interiors. It was truly a labor of love and was written and created by me and a group of extremely passionate people so design enthusiasts could learn and understand that no living creature, human and non, should ever have to suffer or get sick for beautiful decor and furniture. All of the images in this book are from spaces that are humane and cruelty-free, meaning none of the furniture, fabrics, and decor are derived from wool, leather, silk, down, feathers, fur, or any other animal-derived material. Compassionate and sustainable spaces are designed for well-being, optimal health, and great energy. This book is filled with wonderful images of spaces and provides design tips from me, an experienced, compassionate, and cruelty-free designer and educator. The book also includes facts about why using non-animal-based materials and furniture are healthier for you and the ones you love. Also, there's interviews with global influencers in the field of growing materials, textiles and furniture made from mushrooms and pineapples, cool stuff. I felt it was important to include facts on how many animals are used for products. Example, 8 adult cows or baby cows slaughtered for one basic sofa, 12 ducks live plucked and dying for one pillow. The book was designed to be a coffee table book. It's really beautiful and hopefully inspires others to see that humane and cruelty-free design is easy, affordable, durable, healthy, and kind, and it will start conversation. Thanks.
Luca during his photo shoot. Go ahead, Luca. Show it, boy.
Claro que él está ahí porque Deborah está aquí, porque no estuviera yo no creo que se quedara bien.
No, él estaría